How to turn off or turn on background play on your MX player. Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open MX player like this, and right now you should go and click here. After that you click on your settings, and in your settings you should come right now and click on player. So scroll little down this list until you find background play. As you can see, you have to click here, background, and to turn off this, click here, like this. And to turn on it, just go here and click play video and audio in background. Click OK. And yeah, that's all guys. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to support us by liking and also subscribe. See you next video.